Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Pika Labs, generate AI videos from text step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Pika Labs. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the site loads, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Make sure the information is correct before proceeding. If you have forgotten your password, there should be a Forgot Password link below the login form. Click on that link to initiate the password recovery process. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your account. If your login is successful, you will be directed to your Pika Labs dashboard. Now you are ready to start generating AI videos from text. Explore the various tools and features available to enhance your projects. If you encounter any issues during the login process, check your internet connection. Also, ensure you are using the correct email and password. By following these steps, you will be logged into Pika Labs in no time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.